Prompts are simple. They are ideas. They are starting points. Think of them as creative sparks. Imagine you want to make a video, but you're stuck. You don't know what to do. That's where prompts come in. Prompts can be questions, challenges, or situations. Anything that gets your brain working. They help you overcome creative blocks. They push you in new directions. Prompts unlock your potential. We've all been there, staring at a blank screen, the dreaded cursor blinking. It's like writer's block, but for video. Your mind feels empty. Prompts are like magic. They break the ice, get your creative juices flowing. A simple prompt can unlock a flood of ideas. Suddenly you have too many ideas. That's a good problem to have. Prompts can even spark collaboration, turning individual creativity into collective genius. Don't just take my word for it. Look at some of the biggest YouTubers. MrBeast built an empire on crazy challenges. Those are prompts in action. David Dobrik's vlogs are full of spontaneous moments, often sparked by simple prompts. Even seasoned creators use prompts to stay fresh, to keep their content exciting. Emma Chamberlain's relatable content often starts with a simple idea. Collaboration and creativity thrive on prompts. The key is to make them relevant to your audience. What do they care about? Think about your niche, your style. What kind of videos do you enjoy making? Don't be afraid to experiment. Try different types of prompts. See what works best for you. Remember, prompts are tools. They help you unlock your creativity. Keep experimenting and refining. Section 5, Newbies and Veterans Prompts level the playing field. Just starting out on YouTube, prompts are your best friend. They give you a roadmap, a starting point for your videos. Already have a channel? Prompts can help you shake things up, try a new format, explore a different topic, and keep your audience engaged. Whether you're a newbie or a veteran, prompts are key to success. They ensure you stay creative and consistent. Section 6, Beyond the Surface, Unexpected Benefits of Using Prompts. Prompts do more than just spark ideas. They make you a better creator. They force you to think outside the box, to come up with new and innovative ideas. They help you connect with your audience by creating content they actually want to see. Prompts can even boost your confidence by helping you consistently create high-quality content, and they encourage you to share your work more widely. Section 7, Overcoming Challenges. Don't let these prompted pitfalls trip you up. One common mistake, sticking to the same old prompts. Branch out, explore another trap, forcing it. If a prompt isn't working, move on. Remember, prompts are guides, not dictators. You're in control of your content. The goal is to have fun. If you're not enjoying the process, it will show in your videos. Take breaks and refresh your mind. Section 8, level up your content. Prompts aren't just for videos. Think outside the YouTube video box. Prompts can be used for everything. Use them for social media posts, blog articles, even email newsletters. Prompts are a versatile tool. They can help you create engaging content across all platforms. By expanding your prompt horizons, you'll unlock even more creative potential. From podcasts to scripts, prompts are your creative ally. Section 9. Ready, set, prompt. Your journey to YouTube success starts now. So what are you waiting for? Grab a notebook, jot down some ideas, start experimenting. The world of YouTube is waiting. With prompts as your secret weapon, you're ready to conquer it. Remember, the most important thing is to have fun. Let your creativity shine through. And who knows, maybe you'll be the next YouTube sensation. Your journey starts now.